Hey, this is Hans.
And this is Kit.
And this is
The Chocolate Break.
The Chocolate Break. How you been? Did you miss us? Did you miss them?
A little.
Have we a surprise for you? Got an email from people in Japan, and they have boxes of treats. Now we're going to show you one. If you want to purchase one, you can use a code. The code will be the Ramen Rater. See that? That's the code. All right, well, shall we show them?
Yes.
A Tokyo treat. So I suppose we should open this
Treat.
Oh, wow.
So sweet. Valentine. Super heart chipple. It's a rice snack packed with garlic. The snack is shaped like hearts to remind you of all of the love around you. You know, I can't imagine that if you went and ate those, you'd be very popular with your garlic breath.
Oh, wow. They're incredibly light.
That's pretty good.
I'll give that a 5.
Yeah. Cat Paw Marshmallows. A snack as fluffy and light as the love in the air. These cute cat paw marshmallows are perfect for this lovely holiday. They are bite-sized and easy to share, so be sure to enjoy these with a loved one.
That's weird. Weird.
Cat paw.
I'm giving it a 1.
I'm a 4.
Really?
I like marshmallow.
Okay.
Calbee chocolate dipped chips.
Chocolate, huh?
Savory and sweet, these chocolate dipped chips will satisfy those cravings for a rich, hearty snack. Every bite contains the perfect balance of sweet and salty. Interesting.
Cheers. It's chocolate and potato chip.
The chocolate's not super sweet.
Honestly, I just think potatoes and chocolate just doesn't mix. I'm giving that a 0. I think that's nasty.
3.
3? Okay.
Not like, good, but it's good.
Bunny.
Boing, boing, boing. Soy sauce crackers. This snack has 2 soy sauce crackers inside. Cute packaging.
Cheers.
Soy sauce.
Reminds me of a pancake. 2.
I'll go with 2.
Pika.
This month's
Pika.
anime snack is the fun Pikachu-shaped chocolate puff. This corn puff is packed with calcium to give you an added benefit. Oh, that's really sad looking. This one's missing an ear.
Yeah. Polka. Big Cocoa Puffs.
Almost like a little hit of extra sugar. I'm gonna go 4.
I'll go 4.25. Oh dear God.
Calbee vegetable salad heart chips. Time for a healthy snack. These heart-shaped vegetable salad chips come with 3 different colors, red, yellow, and green, which have various flavors based off of various vegetables.
I guess they are kind of like hearts.
Yeah, here's carrot.
Yeah. Unmistakably carrot.
Almost tastes like a bell pepper.
A unique Japanese vegetable flavor.
Yeah, there you go. I'm gonna go with a 2.
I'll give it a 2. What's that all about?
Kimchi rice puffs.
Ooh.
Kimchi is a popular flavor throughout Japan, and these rice puffs perfectly recreate the kimchi flavor. Each puff is like eating a bite of real kimchi.
Fantastic. I don't smell kimchi.
I don't either.
That totally tastes like kimchi.
It's not spicy.
No.
To me, kimchi has to have like at least a little bit of kick to it.
It's good though. I like it.
I'm gonna go with a 4.
3.75. I think that's... I like it.
That's fair.
I'd eat that as a snack, sure. What is that?
Petite pudding chocolate. Pudding is popular sweet in Japan, so why not fuse it with chocolate? That's what happened with these cute petite pudding chocolates. These sweet candies are a perfect Valentine's Day treat.
Oh, look at the tiny little pudding. Cheers.
And it does taste like vanilla pudding with chocolate.
It does. It tastes like a little mini pudding cup. What kind of score would you give that?
4.
I'll give it a 4.
That is a happy child.
It is a happy child. A happy child is a flavorful child.
Strawberry biscuit. This classic biscuit snack from popular brand Glico gives you a sweet strawberry snack experience. This is the perfect snack to take on the go to brighten your day anywhere. They smell good.
They do. Cheers.
Cheers. I like it.
I love it. I think it's really good.
Definitely take that on the go.
Score?
3.5.
I'll give that one a 4. Ooh, what have we here?
It's in a rocket ship.
That makes things taste better.
Everyone's favorite Maibo is back with a flavor that is perfect for this holiday. Chocolate. The scrumptious corn puff is infused with chocolate to ensure that every bite is rich and delicious.
Oh, it bounced.
It looks very airy.
It's an air biscuit.
That's not right. It's like it's there, but it's not.
No?
No.
What's your score?
No, 0.
Oh, honestly, I really like that. I'll give that. Of all that I've had so far, that's getting a 5
Here
for
we go
me.
again. What is it?
I don't know.
Chinchin chocolate stars. Ramen candy is a popular candy throughout Japan, and this variety is shaped like stars and has a sweet chocolate flavor.
Look at that weirdness.
That makes me a little scared. To be honest. I feel like this is gonna taste like a vitamin.
Cheers to health. It's like hardened malt.
It's odd.
That is very odd and fascinating to me.
I'm gonna go 3.5.
I'll go with 3.75, mainly just because, I mean, it's not bad, but it's weird.
It's weird that they have them all individually packaged. Kitkat.
Kitkat? That's a big thing at Kitkat.
It sure is. Have your spirits uplifted with these refreshingly sweet and sour Japanese Mikan Kitkat. The white chocolate covering contains real flavoring. So share the Kitkat love with your friends and family.
I will cut mine with the sword of Kalas. Would you like yours cut with the sword of Kalas?
No.
Oh.
Way to go.
There's what it looks like inside. Cheers.
Cheers.
I get orange sherbet.
Sherbet.
Wait, take mine.
No.
But I'm trying to share it with family.
What? Why do I have to take yours and not eat mine?
Because you're supposed to share it with me.
Then I don't want to share it with you. I'm gonna be honest.
Be honest.
That's my favorite one so far. It's refreshing.
It's good.
5.
5. And there's a ton of them.
Yay!
But we need water.
I have water.
Where'd you get water?
Chocolate Tanako Kit. Spice up your day with this fun DIY kit. Simply use water to create mochi snacks. Then you can dip into chocolate and kinako. Kinako is a sweet, savory, roasted soybean flavor.
Okay.
That's a kinako. And that's the chocolate. And then this is your little fork.
Yeah.
I don't want to be too wet.
Put our sauces in this then. So that's chocolate, and this is kinako. Oh, that has a scent to it. Savory soybean.
Roasted soybean flavor.
Cool.
So you're supposed to like take one, and then dip, and then dip. And try. The chocolate's almost like a Nutella. That was fun.
And I think that's the main thing of it too. It's like it's something to do. It's an activity.
And it's not just about eating and flavor. That's supposed to be something fun.
Yeah, it's like an activity and it's a thing to eat. I like that. I'll give that a 5.
Yeah, that was good and it was fun.
Yeah.
I'll give that a 5 too.
There's one left. Sangria.
It says Coca-Cola.
Sparkling Canada Dry. Oh, it does.
So this says, what beverage perfectly fits Valentine's Day? Sangria. Fruity delight is the perfect drink to set an enchanting mood.
Wow.
Well. No, I get to be the guinea pig. I think it'd be better cold.
I'm almost getting kind of like a rose petal kind of action to that.
To me, it seems more like of having a dry kind of cranberry.
Oh, that's weird. It's more flowery.
What do you think?
It's fascinating. You might be right. It might be better ice cold.
I'm gonna go with 3.
I'll go with 4. It's not bad. And what's interesting, this is a treat box, and it came with a drink. And I think that's fascinating. And I think just as a huge group of different interesting Japanese things, I will give the box itself a 5. This is really neat.
This was really neat.
Plus that guide is pretty well done too.
Oh yeah,
they spent some time on it. And honestly, I've reviewed so many different subscription boxes. The most important thing that you get out of a subscription box is the information, because if you don't have that, you're gonna have to dig on Google for translations. This is just like, oh, what's that? I'll try it. You know?
No, it's a really nice variety of things. Like, and it wasn't like they just went and got a whole bunch of cheap stuff and threw it in a box either.
No,
it was really good.
I don't even know how much the box costs, but I can see definite value in it. Just, I mean, when it showed up, it was heavy, good sized, you know.
I would totally recommend.
One of the larger boxes that I've got. So,
yeah.
Anyways, well, if you want to get one of these, you can go over to tokyotreat.com and use the coupon code TheRamenRaider, as you see here on the screen.
What? The Ramen Raider?
The Ramen Raider.
Oh, okay. Yeah. All right.
Happy Valentine's Day, my love.
Happy Valentine's Day.
I will use the rest of the fizzy beverage to make you a gourmet meal.
Okay.
Shh. I love you.
I love you. Goodbye.
Why are you still here? Bye-bye.